How to log out Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out this application or your account. First of all, open Lyft. Now here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So these are the profile settings. Here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see settings. Tap on it again. Now scroll down at last until you find the option called logout. Tap on logout. Now make sure you want to log out. So make sure you have all your ID and password saved because you need it for later. So if you are sure, simply tap on logout. So it will take some time, and as you can see, I have been logged out. So you can log in again by simply tapping on login button and you are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.